Hello everybody, this is Caesar from Caesar Photography and I'm back with another video. I'm really excited because as promised on the first video, I'll be unboxing, and wait for it, the M1 Pro MacBook Pro. Yes, it's a weird name as I've mentioned, but yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. Boom, here it is here. I've just opened the box a bit, as you can see. So here it is there from the store. So but I haven't opened the packages inside here, so it's still sealed. As you can see, there's the paper there. I'm really excited. So it's my first time feeling the weight of this thing at home, so one of the first in South Africa, so I'm really excited. So you go away and let's get on with it. So ooh, I just love the smell and the feel of something new as you wrap it up. It feels really good because and knowing how expensive one of these are in South Africa, it's really exciting. I can't explain the feeling right now. I wish I could even tear this paper nicely. So yeah, the paper don't need away you. Here it is. Here's the. Are you guys ready though? I feel like you're not ready. So say ready.
Ready!
Yeah. Anyway, here we go. I think you can see from here. So I got the 14-inch here, which is this version here. You can see shorter on the screen if it shows. But yeah, so here it is. Slowly but surely. Ooh. Ooh. Boom! I'm not gonna look. Here it is. Let's look. It is here. It has arrived. So there it is. And let's pull this up. So like I've said on the other video, it is a bit heavy. Not that heavy. So it's kind of like the old MacBook Pro 2012, 2013 and the likes. But obviously beastly performance, monster performance that this thing has. Okay, and here we go. So obviously before we unseal this one, I've never really done unboxing videos, but yeah, so I'm assuming this is the charger. Yes, there it is. So as you can see there, it's the MagSafe charger. Let me just time my watch here. So as you can see here is the MagSafe charger. So I'm just gonna have to take this one out. Nicely wrapped, nicely done, Apple. I think for the price we do deserve nice packaging. So this looks really nice. Oh, it's like the way I tie my watch. Similar vibes. So there is the charger there. So it's type C this side, and then this is the MagSafe side. So mine should be the 96 watts if I'm not mistaken. So I think in 30 minutes you can charge it to half battery capacity, so which is quite good, which is quite impressive. So I think that's the menu, which I'm probably not gonna read. Who does anyway, unless I'm stuck? And besides, we Google everything now, so yeah, okay, it's written your MacBook Pro and stuff like that. I know there should be a sticker here, but okay, we'll come back to you. And then here is the charger itself, so nicely wrapped as well. So we're gonna, oops, I'm gonna take that out, so that goes there. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, and then I think that's it from the box. So the sticker is either here or there, but let's see. And back to the MacBook, guys. So there it is. Like I've said, I haven't done unboxing videos, so yeah, one of my firsts. There it is, the ceiling. Take this out. Yes. And I like the fact that it has this stitching here underneath MacBook Pro. There you go. Let's put this away. Okay, so the sticker is not here, so I'm assuming it is here because I didn't read the menu as I've said. show. I think this is the proper side. Yes. And there it is, guys. So now for the final moment, I'm gonna power this beast on. Before I do, here are our ports, the type C and then the MagSafe one, then the microphone jack, and then here we have the HDMI and another USB type C, and then the SD card. Unfortunately, this is only SD XC1, so I don't think it supports 2, which sucks, because now with cameras like the Sony, it supports the second version of the SD XC cards, so which are very fast. So yeah, so nay Apple for that one. Okay. And yeah, I don't have space here. My table is quite small, but yeah. Oh, it has the ceiling here, and it starts up, and you can see. Let's remove this. Yay! It's working as expected. You away. So there it is. As we wait. So I think the startup will be quite slower, but I think it's there. So as you can see here, oh, there is the hello. So let's not hide that from you guys. Hopefully you can see. By the way, you can see the nozzle at the top here, and the camera is now 1080p, so which is better resolution than before. So I think it's still greeting me, which is quite nice. I'm excited. So hello to you too. This is probably Japanese. So my Japanese friends tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, now it says get started. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here. Yes, there. So here I think we select the languages as part of the setup, and then I'm gonna say enter. Just standard English should be fine. And then my country, I'm in South Africa, so I'm gonna select South Africa. There you go. It just did by itself. Strange. And then accessibility settings. I think this you can do later. And then here it's now on the migration assist menu. So here I'm just gonna say not now. So I think this is for when you wanna back up from another disk and stuff like that. Take stuff from that disk to here. It's that stuff. And then my Apple ID. Let me put it in. So I've skipped ahead, and now I think I've done Siri as a setup, accepted a couple of things, skipped a couple of settings, but now I'm just doing the fingerprint. As you know, this MacBook comes with the Touch ID, so I can set that up here. So it recognizes my fingerprint. So let's do that here. Okay, and now it is ready. So I had to do that repeatedly, like a couple of times, for it to be ready. So let's go and see what's next. It's like you're playing a game and you're wondering what's the next adventure, and then you keep going. So I think this is Apple Pay. No, this one we can set up later. I already have it on my phone, so there's no need. Yeah, exciting. Next level of the game. Yeah. Okay, so this is taking a bit of time while it loads. And it is ready. We are done. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen, the M1 Pro MacBook Pro. Here it is. I'm really excited to do some serious work on this thing. So yeah, it's quite empty. None of the programs that I frequently use are here. So your audio programs like your Logic Pro, Omnisphere inside that, and contacts for my libraries and stuff like that. Then the video editing stuff. So Premiere Pro is not here. Final Cut, for my photography stuff as well, Photoshop and stuff like that. So none of the stuff are here. So we still need to do some work on this MacBook Pro. But with that said, that was the unboxing, you guys. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And if you haven't checked out my older video of me reviewing the MacBook Pro before I had it. Yeah, so click up on the pop-up there and then have fun with it. And please guys, don't forget to support this channel, and I really appreciate that. With that said, thank you so much. See you on the next one, and boom, cheers guys.